Hello everyone, today I am going to give you a tutorial on how to install ChatGPT desktop application on your Windows desktop PC. ChatGPT is an open AI tool you can use to get your question answered on different topics. Now let's start with the tutorial. First of all, you have to open your internet browser, write ChatGPT in the search bar, click on the first link stating introducing ChatGPT. On this page, click on the button stating download ChatGPT desktop. It will take you to this page. Now scroll down. Here you can see on the right side there are two download options for the desktop. So first one is for Mac OS and second one is for Windows, which we are going to click on it because our intention is to install ChatGPT application on Windows. So it will take you to the Microsoft Store website. And one other alternative way is that you can also install ChatGPT application from the Microsoft Store application already present in Windows. So let's back to this page. Click on the download button. It will start the download and it will take some seconds. You can see the download has been completed. Now close the internet browser and go to this PC application. Click on the download tabs. Here you can see the download file is present. Click on it. It will show you another window. Here is it. Now click on the install button. It will start downloading the software from the internet. It will take some time to get fully installed. You have to wait for it. Now you can see the ChatGPT has been installed. Close the application. Here is it. The ChatGPT application has been installed. To use it, you have to log in or sign up. When you click on sign up, you have to make a new account. And if you already have a ChatGPT account, click on login. It will take you to the Internet Explorer again and ask you to enter your email address. I am entering mine. Now write the password and click on open ChatGPT. Okay, it has been fully installed and logged in. Now you can use this application to get your question answered. Let's see what is the capital of USA. There is a mistake. Okay. So here is the open AI tool. It answered you that the capital of the United States is Washington DC. If you want to have the ChatGPT app icon in the taskbar, you have to write ChatGPT in the search bar of the Windows. Here you can see here is the app. Right click on it and click on pin to taskbar. It will create an icon of the ChatGPT application, and whenever you want to open it, click on it. It will open the ChatGPT application. So thank you very much for watching the video.